Paper shredders. Shredders have a 3-function control switch: auto start, stop, manual reverse, and manual off. Features. The Honeywell 6-sheet strip cut paper shredder can shred up to 6 sheets of paper as well as credit cards with a 2.65-gallon basket. Quality made. The Honeywell 9306F model is UL approved, backed by a 1-year cutter and labor and a 3-year on replacement parts. Secure. These paper shredders have also been UL approved, meeting all safety standards. Trusted company. Honeywell safes, paper shredders and door locks are manufactured and distributed exclusively by LH licensed products. Top reviews from the United States. What size for small spaces? Convenient place. Quick and easy. Started using it immediately. Shipped quickly and as described. Works as described.